After 60, poor leg circulation can quietly steal your strength, step by step. And the scary part is, most people blame it on just getting older. You wake up, and your legs feel heavy. Your feet feel cold. You stand up slowly, you're holding the chair for balance. Walking to the mailbox feels harder than before. Stairs suddenly feel exhausting. But what's really causing this might surprise you. Here's what most people don't realize. It's not always magnesium. One vitamin plays a major role in helping blood move properly through your legs. Vitamin B3, also called niacin. Your blood vessels are like small highways. Vitamin B3 helps those highways relax and open up, so blood can move more easily. Without enough of it, circulation can become sluggish. And this is where it matters most. Poor circulation doesn't just affect comfort, it affects independence. Weak legs, numb feet, slow walking, poor balance. Over time, simple daily tasks start feeling harder. Have you noticed this happening to you? Listen carefully, this part is important. Many seniors think resting more will help, but too much sitting can actually slow circulation even more. Your body works like a river. When water stops moving, everything becomes stagnant. But here's the truth. Small daily habits can help support healthy blood flow again. Start with gentle walking, even 5 to 10 minutes helps. Drink more water during the day. Dehydration thickens the blood. Eat foods rich in vitamin B3, like tuna, chicken, turkey, peanuts, and mushrooms, and try simple ankle movements while sitting. Small movements keep circulation active. And this is the hopeful part. Your body can still respond even after 60. Many people notice improvements in warmth, energy, and steadier walking when they support circulation consistently. Because the little things you do each day decide how well your legs carry you in the years ahead.